Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This series is going to be about how to edit graphics on Canva. Today we're going to learn about how to create retro computer style graphics using Canva. Okay, so the very first thing that we're going to do is choose our background image. I'm going to choose something that has grids on it. And then I'm going to choose a frame that looks like an old computer screen. There are many options when it comes to frames, but since I've worked on this style before, I'll choose the one that I've already worked with. So this is the frame that looks like an old computer screen, and I'm going to put up a picture. Choose this one. So the colors that I'm using are mostly pink, purple and green. And now I'll use a filter. I'll go with Nimbus and reduce the intensity over here. The next step would be to use certain graphic elements that communicate the retro computer style. I've already created them on Photoshop and Illustrator and bought a few up. And if you want, you can do the same. So I'll just crop the star and align it towards the left on top. And also use the address bar and of course the computer cursor. The whole idea is to make it look like I'm clicking on the address bar, so I'll just align the cursor next to the address bar. Okay. Now we're going to work with the text. I'm going to choose two fonts that will help us communicate visually the style we've gone with. So I'm going to choose something that says "Computer says no" and SK Cuber. We'll need to play around with the font sizes, letter spacing, line height until you have it perfectly aligned. Going to also add a bit of text to the star. Maybe use a Canva tutorial over here. Align it perfectly. The next thing that we're going to do is to create a band on top that would appear like it's flashing. It's not, but we're going to give the impression that it is. So we're going to type out a line, pull it to top and copy paste it a few times. I'm going to have another line just below the top line, use the hollow effect and color it purple and copy paste it a few more times. Now if you want, you can add few more elements to your design. You can get it online or you can even use the elements that are available on Canva. So I'll just take the star and work with it. I'm going to create a shadow effect, so I just change the color. And then I'm going to copy paste another star and let it overlap. So this is going to be green and this is going to be purple. And I'll just make it overlap and change the direction just a bit so that it looks like there's a shadow behind it. So you can add more elements, but I don't think this star looks too good over here, so I'm just going to delete this and just keep it simple and align it. Oh, and I'm also going to change the text and correct it basically. And I'll download my design once it's perfectly aligned. I think we're kind of good to go over here. Yeah. So now I'm just going to download it, and the design is ready. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, please like, and if there is anything that you want to learn, then please comment and subscribe for more.